right, come on in. Get out your perimeter worksheet. I need everyone to take a second and look at my rectangle on the board. And I need you to tell me, what do you notice about my rectangle? Turn and talk to your peer. What do you notice? What do you notice about my perimeter? Turn and talk, please.
I noticed that the first one is high, the number is higher than the second one. I don't know why that one is better than the second one is here. It's true. Memphis can't.
What do you remember? What do we remember also about yesterday? 30 seconds. Turn to your friend. I'll be your neighbor. What do you notice?
Different. You know those are called the meters and feet. Those are two different.
Okay, she said what we did.
Okay, come back in 3, come back in 2, come back in 1. What do you notice saying about my rectangle? What do you remember?
I noticed that both rectangles are equal.
Okay. And what do you notice? What do you remember about perimeter from yesterday? What do you remember? Who remember what I said perimeter means? What does perimeter mean? I gave you a little hint. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does perimeter mean? Joey? If I'm doing this, what does that mean? It means what? What does it mean? Joey, you was telling me, what does it mean? You need help or you need a moment? You got it? What does it mean? If I'm saying I'm circling it as a whole, what does that mean? I'm using it as a what? If I say I'm jumping outside of a circle, what does that mean? It's my perimeter, right? So perimeter means
Circle.
out.
6 on it.
108?
You put a 6 on it.
You kind of?
Yeah.
108? Ooh, we got to work that in.
I think so.
I need you to work that one again. Okay, Tahila said 136. Do we agree or disagree? We got high thumbs in the back because she's absolutely correct. So use your brain, throw it in the air, make it right. Now, it is 136. Now, I can give you a simple way, if you want to get your area. Now, if we can't multiply to get our area, we can also still add to get our area. So, if I do that, I would have to say, I can do 8, 17 times, or 17, 8 times. So I can say 17, plus 17, plus 17, plus 17. So you guys see
I don't know.
my 8, 17 to get my feet into our exit ticket.
Can I do number 7?
We're just doing that one, and then we're going to get into our exit ticket. Okay? Does that meet your group? Okay.
Are we gonna do it on Monday? Are we gonna do this on Monday?
All right, Mumtaz is solving. Jeremiah is solving. David is thinking really hard. He's thinking really well. We got Jeremiah. We got her doing the simple.
Are they the same?
Now, if you're solving for perimeter, what are we doing?
So that's
For perimeter, you're doing what? 11 plus 18, and then you're going to multiply this times 10. So, what is 11 plus 18? 11 plus 18. 11 plus 18.
area.
Yeah.
Area.
We can do it.
Area.
Huh?
Okay.
No.
So, what is 29 times
I think
2?
it's
So, if I say 29 times 2.
Already.
So,
29 times 2 is...
so what's our length?
No.
Now, what number is
They're
that?
crazy.
And what's our weight?
Oh
Good
wow.
job. Make your 9 a little round.
Maybe color.
Good job. You said 58. Now tell everybody what's the perimeter of number 3. Perimeter equals, what's your answer? You wrote it? Oh, this your answer. We're listening to Jeremiah in 3, 2, 1. Jeremiah, tell the class your answer. He said his perimeter is 58. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
We got some agrees and disagrees. If you agree, you are absolutely correct. Good job. Kiss your brain. Mumtaz. Everyone's listening to Mumtaz in 3, 2, 1. Mumtaz, what is our area? She said it's 198. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
Now, who noticed something on the board that Mumtaz has done? You gotta stand on the side. What did Mumtaz do? What did she do, Helen? She did the what? Thank you. Gabriel helped you out. She did the what?
Area.
She did the simple. And she also did the, she did the formula. She did the formula and the simple. So let's give her a silent shine. Take a bow. Good job. Kiss your brain. Now it's time for our exit ticket. I know y'all love that. All right. Remember, what is my formula for perimeter?
2 times width plus,
2 times width plus width. What is my area?
10 times width.
What's my area? Ooh, it seems like we're mixing up our perimeter area.
Width.
My area is? My perimeter is?
2 times width.
Good job. Now, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm going to erase this. Yes. I'm going to erase this and see how you do on this exit ticket. Mumtaz, please pass out Exit tickets.
At least I know now.
Yes.
Wait, so you can't tell us the formula?
We said the format. Now go ahead and clear your desk. Clear it. Clear it in 3. Clear it in 2.
Did you write this?
Clear it in 1. I know you would love to have your cheat sheet.
Miss Martin, did you write this?
I know you would love to have it, but we have to use our own brains now. Here is the exit ticket for the exam.